while I'm building this bike, I just thought I'd show you a little tip. If you're ever at the point where you've got a scratched up headlight, this one's just been cleaned, get yourself some clear lacquer. And wait for that to dry off. Maybe do like probably 2 or 3 coats, just fill in all the little scratches that have been made. I'll come back to this in a second when I do the second coat. The difference in that just off there, I'm leaving my light on a minute just to get rid of the bits of condensation I've got in the lamp itself. Is obviously I've just put this back on. I've just built it up. You can see, high beam on a second. You can see that the scratches are still there, but if obviously after everything's dried out, obviously those spots will fade out. The difference is just immense. And for what? You can get a bottle of lacquer for probably £3. But yeah, I'll come back when those spots have faded out. Now, although not perfect, you can definitely tell the difference from, you know, before. I can still see 2 scratches here, but they're just that deep. So yeah, that's just a quick tip on how you can, you know, fix a scratched up headlight and restore it to somewhat like a more reflective surface, I guess, because this one was bad and now not so much.